Hello and welcome to the May update from the Tau business team. So without further ado, I'm going to pass it over to Kilian to kick it off for the month. Cheers.
Thank you, Fola, and hi, everybody. So this month, I started off with organizing a wide range of VC Scout calls. We got good feedback from them and got some to partner up with with regards to securing the funding round. And we also got some intros to VCs from them. And together with Fola, we also created a VC Scout database that we aim to use to accelerate the VC Scout outreach. Yeah, then we've also been aggregating companies in the field of model-based enterprise. The goal here is to have them become our design partners, and the benefits for these companies to become our design partners can be seen as threefold mainly. One is early access to the Tau platform. Then they can also influence the product development according to their needs, and they also get exclusive resources from our team. And the benefits for Tau, for us, would be from that, well, first of all, we get feedback and validation for Tau. Then we understand and address specific design needs and challenges faced by businesses. And obviously this will also help us from a marketing and fundraising perspective. Then I also started outreach to these companies, but currently it's still too early to mention any significant results. I've also been working on updating our company profiles, in particular on PitchBook and Crunchbase, which are obviously platforms that VCs like to use and angel investors. So it's good to have good standing on these platforms. And I also started together with Fola preparing the necessary documents for the data room so that VCs and angels interested in participating in our funding round can do their due diligence in a seamless and fast way. And yeah, last but not least, as usually always for the past year, the community member of the month is again Andrew for his continued support through his social media channels. Thanks.
All right. Thanks so much, Kilian. And I'll pass it over to Igor for his update for the month.
Thank you, Fola. Hello, everyone. So for this month, I was working with Fola on the pitch deck as we are getting more responses from our VC scouts. So we have redesigned a couple of pages and we also created two versions. One is the shorter one. The other one is a little bit longer. Also around the website, I've been working a lot when it comes to some of the fixes, and I also like to thank Andrew, Kev, about some of the issues that they found out, whether if it's related to typo or something technical. So I've been working on that. We also fixed some header issues that we had. I've been working also with a third-party developer about that. So we managed to create some additional CSS custom code. Now you will be able to see in the responsive way that we added some extra icons on the products and apps page. You can also access those pages. Previously, you didn't have the chances to do that. So I also created those two pages. But I also have been working on redesigning the parser library page, which is also now live. There was also a latest update on the website was that you can now request access to our products, whether if it's related to Tau, TML, or TauNet. You will be able to fill out the form. Basically, that's already live on the website. And pretty much that's basically all my month. I was working on the design work on the website and pitch deck, and that's about it.
All right. Thanks, Igor. That's a great month. And I'll pass it over to Karolina for her update for the month.
Thank you, Fola, and hello, everyone. So this month I've been working on PR quite a bit. I've written a draft of an article which is juxtaposing Tau with other currently available AI-based software development solutions. And we've been looking at the article with the team and changing feedback. And I'm now updating this article with some more precise Tau features and capabilities that we have clarified after having discussions with OHAT and with Professor Franconi. I've also been working on the copy for the Tau product page, which will have use case descriptions instead of product illustrations, sort of as a quality placeholder until we have good UI sketches to use instead. I'll also be making amendments to that copy based on the recent discussions about Tau's uniqueness that we had with the team. We've been quite fine-tuning the positioning of Tau, and this is going to be reflected on the website eventually as well. Aside from that, I've also been making some style changes to the copy on the website, since we have also started fine-tuning the tone of voice for Tau. So the website is constantly evolving if anyone's keeping score. Yeah. So yeah, that's my month. Thank you.
All right. Thank you so much, Karolina. And, from my side, I've been involved in a lot of what the rest of the business team have been up to as well, and also been involved on the Tau mock-ups in terms of what the product could look like. So we're still working on that. behind the scenes with our design team, and they've been great working with us alongside Jamie, who has been really helpful in doing a lot of research. And as Karolina mentioned, we're still doing a lot of research in terms of the positioning of Tau, and really making sure that we're extremely accurate in terms of how we publicize Tau, and making sure that the information that we put out is really as core in terms of the benefits of what Tau can do. So yeah, that's it from us on the development team side, so on the business team side, and that's it from me. So we'll see you in Telegram. Thank you. Cheers.